Guys, welcome to Exam Grade 95 channel. Today video is on August 2020 current affairs. First question is, which of the following has become the first city in India to have women symbols on traffic signals and signage? Correct answer is option number B, Mumbai. Number 2, President Ramnath Kovind has approved how many gallantry awards for defense personnel in August 2020? 84 awards. Indian Railways is constructing the world's tallest pier bridge in which state? Manipur. Option number D. In which city the Center for Biopharma Analysis CBA was inaugurated in August 2020? In Pune. Option number B is correct. Next question है guys, Road and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari laid the foundation stone for how many highway projects in Manipur through video conferencing in August 2020? 13 road projects. Who has launched the National Digital Health Mission? Narendra Modi. Option number C. Which of the following cities bagged the top spot in the annual survey of Cleanliness Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 in August 2020? Indore. As per the Digital Quality of Life Index 2020, India has occupied which rank in terms of e-infrastructure? ई-इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के मामले में भारत का स्थान है 79. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Who has been appointed as the new election commissioner in August 2020? Rajiv Kumar. Option number D. In August 2020, who has been appointed as the managing director of State Bank of India Limited? Ashwani Bhatia. Option number A. Which state has appointed former state BJP chief Satpal Singh Satti as chairman of the 6th Finance Commission? Himachal Pradesh. Option number C. The Road Transport and Highways Ministry has decided to extend the validity of motor vehicle documents till which month? Till December 2020. Option number D is correct. In which city has Andhra Pradesh CM YS Jagan Mohan Reddy launched E-Raksha Bandhan in August 2020? Amaravati. Option number B. 14 number है guys, Johan Home passed away in August 2020. He was related to which of the following fields? He was related to politics. Option number B. Who chaired the first General Council meeting of the Khelo India scheme in August 2020? Kiren Rijiju. Option number D. In which state Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and the CM of the state have laid the foundation stone of IIM, Indian Institute of Management, in Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh? Who among the following has edited the book The Swachh Bharat Revolution? Param Iswaran Lair. Option number A is correct. in August 2020, who has been appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? Manoj Sinha. Option number C. How many names were recommended for Arjun Award by the selection committee in August 2020? 29. Which state has announced its electronics manufacturing policy 2020? Uttar Pradesh. Option number A is correct. Number 21 is, on which day was the Earth Overshoot Day observed in 2020? 22 August. The book named Correct Drona is based on Vom. Vasu Pranjape. Option number B. Who has been appointed as Managing Director and CEO of SBI Funds Management in August 2020? Vinay M. Townsend. A.R. Lakshmanan passed away in August 2020. He was later to which of the following fields? Judiciary. Option number B. Urdu writers and literators will be honored with awards and honors for literacy services by the Urdu Council from which year? From 2021. Option number C is correct. In which state will the 51st International Film Festival of India IFFI be held? In Goa. Option number A. Which of the following has won the Indian Express Technology Sabha Award 2020? B. Post. Devane Bravo has become the first bowler to take 500 T20 wickets. From which of the following countries does he belong? West Indies. He belongs to West Indies country. The book titled National Security Challenges Young Scholars Perspective is a tribute to whom? Sam Manekshaw. Option number A is correct. In August 2020, who has been appointed as Group President and member of the leadership team by Reliance Industries Limited? Sanjeev Singh. Sanjeev Singh is correct answer. Who has been selected for the National Awards to Teachers 2020? Sonam Geldson. Option number C. Arunachal Pradesh government will provide 100% tap water connection to all the households in the state by which year? 2023. Option number C is correct. Which country successfully launched a new optical remote sensing satellite in August 2020? China. Which state has appointed former state BJP chief Satpal Singh Satti as chairman of the 6th Finance Commission? Himachal Pradesh. This question is repeated. In August 2020, who launched a mobile application My IAF at Air Force Headquarters Vayu Bhavan in New Delhi? Rakesh Kumar Singh Bahaduria. Option number B. With which of the following has the Sports Authority of India joined hands to launch e-Pathshala? Answer is All India Football Federation. Option number A. When is Sadbhavna Divas observed? 20 August. Option number B. In August 2020, Kishore Rangta has been assumed charge as chairman of which of the following? Fertilizers Association of India. Option number B. Under the Indira Rasoi scheme, the Rajasthan government aims at providing food at how many rupees? Answer is option number C, 8. When is the World Senior Citizens Day celebrated every year? 21 August. Option number B.